Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum which is there in engineering drawing made 2017 sum. Front view left hand side is given. We have to draw box. Over right side it is 80. So we'll take 80 on right side. Left side it is 50 and height is 60 plus 10. So first we will draw layout. This height is 20. Now see, whenever you start any isometric, if you see this slope, so you draw that part first. So what I will assume this entire part as 1 unit and I will draw. So I will take 10 from here, then I'll go down by 20. See this, so I'll mark 20 and then I will draw horizontal line, which is 10. Then here you go up by 10 and you go inside by 20 and you join the slope. So this is the first part. Now whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, you will take everything behind by 50. So we are done with this part. Now if you see here, inside view, it's a trapezium shape. So we'll take midpoint and we'll take 12.5 on each side. So it is 25. And you take that part behind. You go behind by 10. See this way. And then you join this. So this way we will get trapezium part. And if you see in front view, we got that rectangle part also. If you see this trapezium and this rectangle part. Now we need to draw the slope. So it is there. And we have to draw 30 inside. Why? Because it is 30 inside if you see that L shape. So I will draw this line. Now this height we will come to know from front view. See this part. So you go down by 20. From there you draw parallel line to 30 degree side square. And again you draw line. So it will be this way. You take this behind. From here you project down. This will be dark. This will be dark. See this part. And this will be dark. So this part behind, so that we can draw. Now after that, you draw this remaining box dark. Now if you see, this L shape is dark. This is dark. You'll draw a line from here. Now you draw this slope. You draw a vertical line. Now see this part. So you go down straight. You draw a line like this. Then you go up. Then again you draw this rectangle. So once you are done with this, we are done with this isometric. The lower line is dark. So I hope everyone understood this sum. We can write length, width and height. Thank you.